My name is Scott Shepherd. I'm the head of product at Rockend Technology. And Rockend is the largest provider of technology software to real estate agents and also strata managers in Australia and New Zealand. So we provide mission critical business software to real estate agents and strata managers. Our software is primarily trust accounting software, so it does the accounting piece for agents, but also does a lot of the CRM, ERP type stuff that they need to do across their business on a day-to-day basis. So IT is obviously critical to Rockend. Not only do we have our own internal IT needs, but we're also an IT company. We provide software out to other businesses. So while we have the in-house expertise to develop our own software and manage our own external infrastructure, the internal infrastructure is something that we look to an external provider to manage for us. It's not our great area of expertise. So with a wide variety of offices around the countryside, having one internal resource locally based in our head office was often insufficient to get the service that we needed out to our other offices where people would have similar sorts of problems. And so, a national provider, somebody that could assist us with the other offices that we had on a timely basis, was one of the reasons why we looked to Anittel. So in a managed services provider, we were looking for somebody that could handle both ends of the spectrum, somebody that could look after immediate desktop support and minor issues for our staff, our 120 staff that we have. But we're also looking for somebody that can look after our major infrastructure as well. We have a large number of servers for a company our size because we're an IT company, and we have a reasonably sophisticated infrastructure. So we needed somebody that could look after that, but also somebody that could take on the strategic planning side as well. A partner, if you like, who would look after that planning and give us the right advice so that we were maintaining our right infrastructure and growing to suit our future needs. So an example of that structure would be moving from isolated offices to a single WAN or wide area network. That's a project that Anittel managed from end to end and took us from being isolated offices, if you like, with not great connectivity between them and the problems that creates, to being a single connected office. We use Microsoft's Link product internally as a communication method between our staff. They can do video chat, they can do IM chat, it has presence enabling. And that uses our WAN capability so that everybody in our offices, no matter which office they're in, is able to quickly and easily connect to other members of the office, see whether they're in the office, see whether they're available for a chat, send them a message, share screens with them, do a whole bunch of functions that prior to having that WAN implemented by Anittel was very, very difficult to do. We have a number of different contact methods with Anittel. We obviously have their help desk that we can call at any time or email through for support, and it logs a ticket in their desk and they call us back. We also have an account manager, Rob, who's assigned to us, who looks after us, and I have the primary relationship with Rob. And between the two of us, we manage the Rockend IT department, I guess, and the help desk for Anittel will liaise directly with our staff whenever they have an issue. They've got a help desk that's national, so they can have staff come out on site at any one of their offices around the countryside. We've found Anittel to be very responsive to our needs. Our account manager is very proactive. They come out to see us when they need to. They're in our office regularly as needs be. Their proactive maintenance ensures that we're aware of things that could potentially come up. And of course you get the odd problem where something unforeseen happens, and Anittel is very reactive to those and make sure that we get back up and running as quickly as we can with our critical business systems.